So hello and welcome everyone to yet another success story from Board Infinity. Today we are joined with Avinash, who is going to tell you about his story on how he got interested in data science, how he learned data science, and finally how he cracked his dream job. So Avinash, first of all, congratulations and welcome.
Thank you so much.
All right. So Avinash, would you like to tell us about your background? What was your schooling like? What was your graduation, and what got you interested in data science?
Sir, telling about me, like I'm basically from Bangalore. I completed B in mechanical engineering, that was non-IT part. And
Mhm.
after that, during my college days, I was knowing about the data science and its scope in the future. And
Mhm.
in my college days also, I did one project and I used Python language there. Like
Mhm.
I got interested in data science in project also. And
Mhm.
after that, during COVID time, I was not getting a good platform to learn data science.
Okay.
And due to financial issues,
Mhm.
I joined to a company. It was not like IT or not core. It was like
Okay.
sort of BPO type.
Mhm.
And after joining to that company, I was like searching for good platforms. And again, COVID third wave got. And during that time, I got work from home. And
Mhm.
I searched in some websites about data science courses, and I landed up in Board Infinity platform
Okay.
website. And one of like a Board Infinity guy, he called me and he suggested me the course. And he said that there'll be uh, job guarantee program, and if I don't get selected, there'll be like 100% refund scheme will be there. So I got interested in Board Infinity, and
Okay.
I joined to this platform.
So, Avinash, there are many platforms which are offering courses in data science, right? So,
So
what was the main factor that made you choose Board Infinity?
the main thing is a job guarantee. And
Mm-hmm.
reviews were good for Board Infinity. And other platform, they are not they are charging uh, more than lakhs. And it was not like. And there is a EMI scheme as well. And weekend classes will be there, so that I can manage my work, and I can learn the data science course as well.
All right, perfect. So now that when you landed in the course, how was your experience? What all modules did you study and how did it go?
Yes, sir. After joining to Board Infinity, there was one five foundations classes were there. And
Mhm.
in that, briefly, they explained about Excel, Tableau, Python, and SQL. And after that, the main course was given in the dashboard. And it was weekend sessions. It was 2.5 hour sessions. And coming to the course part, Excel was my first module. And I was familiar with Excel, but not in advanced level. But I was using in my previous company to store the data. That's it. But
Mhm.
I got to know that many functions are used in Excel, and advanced level insights were doing in the Excel. And after that, project sessions were there, and quizzes were there, exam were there for
Mhm.
each and every module. After Excel, SQL was there. Even in that also, I was feeling that SQL was easy for me
Mhm.
firstly. And after that, going on advanced level Excel, they thought very well. And
Okay.
even some of our batchmates were feeling they are not feeling good with the Excel. Then again, 2 3 extra classes were taken. And
Okay.
to solve those doubts. And after that, like uh, even there also some projects, assignments, and quizzes, and exams were taken. And
Mhm.
evaluation also done in on time. And after that, Tableau, like visualization tool, many visualizations were done using some datas. And after that, maths was familiar to me, like I was good at maths. And
Okay.
after that, for maths also some assignment was given. And after that, we landed in Python.
Mhm.
Python was like a more interesting subject in data science. And we some Python notes were given to us. And we were like they taught from scratch, like Python. Like we basically, if I'm from non-IT background, like I got to know each and everything about Python, and it was like easy to learn for me. And after that, machine learning algorithm, I was thinking that machine learning is like not familiar to me, and it will be tough to like grasp. But the thing is, machine learning was the easiest part. Only
Oh,
we, yeah, only we need to import that sklearn library, and we
right.
need to feed the data to our algorithm, and that and accuracies were given. And like we did some project in machine learning as well, and that was like after that we had an end-to-end project.
All right.
And
Perfect.
we,
So
yes,
would you like to tell us more about the projects that you did and all the modules and the end-to-end projects that you are saying?
yes, sir. Like in Excel part, I did one interactive dashboard, and it was like creating pivot tables, and after that we were getting some insights. We were creating some visualization, and all that visualization we were keeping in one sheet, and it was so interactive. Like we were creating dynamic slicers as well there. And coming to like SQL part, I have participated in some of the hackathons provided by Board Infinity, and like assignment some I solved some queries also. And in like Analytic Vidya, they also conducted one hackathon. I also participated there, and hacker rank. And after that, coming to Tableau part, there also I created a visualization and created like a dynamic reference lines. And after that, created storytelling and a dashboard. And after that, coming to maths part, like hypothesis testing was done. And like we used Excel to for hypothesis testing, like we did ANOVA. And after that, coming to Python part, like we used e-commerce data, and we created we took some insights from that. And we cleaned the data, and using matplotlib and seaborn library, we did some visualization part there. And after that, coming to machine learning, we create using supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. We did some insights from that, and that's it.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. So now that you know your tutorial classes were over, right? You learned data science, you have made projects, right? So what was your interview or placement preparation was like?
After completing the course, I got a certificate, and after that certification, and another dashboard was created for us, like a placement training. And we were having some webinars as well. Meanwhile, we can watch those webinars. And after that, we were having coding challenges dashboard as well there. And in placement preparation, like we were given some sessions to resume building sessions and aptitude sessions. And after that, we got many opportunities in Discord app. And I was applying which all are familiar to me, and I was looking for the like packages and was and location as well. And coming to interview part, Infigonia was my first company. But the thing is, like I was not prepared so well in the first interview. I
Okay.
got rejected, and
Mhm.
again I like. Many opportunities were given. Like I was keep on like applying each and every companies, and I got many like response call from the company as well.
Mhm.
And after that, at last, again I called to the HR to Infigonia
Right.
company, and again I applied to that,
Wow.
and I cracked the interview in Infigonia.
All right. So Avinash, what would you say, what was your weak point that was, not because of which you were not able to crack the interviews? What part do you think,
The,
you were lagging?
like the main thing was due to my job timings, like I was not able to practice, and I was not able to
I see.
join the live classes. But the
Mhm.
thing is, I was watching recorded sessions as well.
Mhm.
And I was like nervous in the interview calls. Like communication was not happening good with the
I
company.
see. So how did you overcome it then?
Like after that, before the interview, there were sessions which were happened to us. Many mentors, like program manager, conducted some like sessions, so that they were teaching that how to crack the interview, how to talk with the interview taking person. And this was our thought, and they were like boosting our confidence, and I got some confidence, so that
Right.
I cracked my.
All right. Amazing. So what was your interview like? What questions were asked in that?
Like in the first round, it was somewhat easy, first round, and they asked us some Excel functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and they asked about pivot tables, and coming to SQL part, joins were asked, and Windows functions, and coming to Python part, OOPS concept was asked.
Okay.
And in second round, it was advanced level, senior manager, CTO of the company who took my interview. In that also, he asked about maths related questions and machine learning related questions. After that, directly I had interview with the CEO of the company. It was not technical. It was he was checking our personality, and it was like a very interactive session, and it went good, sir.
All right. Amazing. So that was your journey. One thing, Avinash, that I really like about you is all the time you had this positive approach, right? Even when you're saying you're not able to crack the interviews
Yes,
or
sir.
you're facing difficulty, you're positive throughout. So that is really a good thing, right? So for your fellow learners, right, what is one advice you would like to give them who are now currently enrolled in the course and possibly they will be giving interviews in the future?
The first thing I want to tell them is we have to be patient, because opportunity will come, many opportunities will come. The thing is, if we keep on getting rejected, it's not the last thing.
Right.
Many opportunities will come. We'll be learning in each and every interview. We need to learn those things. What and all the questions they asked, we need to which we are not able to answer. Those we need to note down, and it will be helpful in next interview as well. And we should be patient, and keep on practicing the same thing.
Right.
From basics, we need to in each and every interview, they'll not ask any advanced level, because we are freshers to this field, and they'll be asking the basic things only. The thing is, we need to be strong in our basics, and that's it.
All right. Amazing, Avinash. Once again, congratulations for your placement. And I hope this video of yours will inspire many others to, pursue their dreams, work hard, and then, get their dream job as well. So thanks a lot for joining. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. All right.